In 1977, a strong, narrowband radio signal was detected by a radio telescope in Ohio. In 1977, a radio telescope in Ohio detected a strong, narrowband signal lasting 72 seconds. The signal was so strong it was dubbed the "wow" signal, as the astronomer wrote "wow" in the margin. The signal matched the expected signature of a transmission from an extraterrestrial civilization. The "wow" signal was picked up by a radio telescope scanning the sky for signs of alien life. Despite numerous attempts, the signal has never been detected again, leaving its origin a mystery. The "wow" signal remains one of the most intriguing examples of an unexplained phenomenon in astronomy. Revisit the 2014 Sochi Olympics ice dance competition, where Canadian pair Tessa and Scott Moir were initially edged out by American rivals Merrill Davis and Charlie White. Tessa and Scott Moir were the 2010 Olympic ice dance champions and 2014 favorites. Merrill Davis and Charlie White led after the short dance with a 0.5-point advantage over Virtue and Moir. The free dance scores were identical, but Davis and White won gold with a total score of 195.52. Many experts felt Virtue and Moir's free dance was superior, with more complex footwork and better twizzles. The judging panel included several with ties to the American team, sparking controversy and bias claims. In 2016, Virtue and Moir reclaimed their title at the World Championships, defeating Davis and White. Learn how Apple co-founders Steve Jobs and Steve Wozniak built the first Macintosh computer in Jobs' parents' garage, and how their humble beginnings led to a $2 trillion empire. In 1976, Steve Jobs and Steve Wozniak founded Apple in Jobs' parents' garage in California. The first Apple computer, the Apple I, was hand-built by Wozniak and sold for $666.66. The Apple II, introduced in 1977, was one of the first highly successful mass-produced personal computers. In 1980, Apple went public, making Jobs a multimillionaire at just 25 years old. The Macintosh 128K, launched in 1984, was the first commercially successful computer to use a graphical user interface. Today, Apple is the world's largest publicly traded company, with a market capitalization of over $2. Pluto has 5 mysterious moons, each with its own unique features. Pluto's largest moon, Charon, is half its size and has a surface composed primarily of water ice. Nix and Hydra, 2 smaller moons, have highly reflective surfaces, suggesting they're covered in ice. Kerberos, the 4th moon, has a highly eccentric orbit, which may indicate a violent formation process. Styx, the smallest moon, is irregularly shaped and orbits closest to Pluto, affecting its rotation. The moon's orbital patterns suggest Pluto's system formed from a massive collision in the Kuiper belt. The unique features of Pluto's moons provide a window into the early formation and evolution of our solar system.
Watch as we simulate a dogfight between an F-16 fighter jet and a swarm of 20 drones, testing the limits of modern air defense. The F-16 fighter jet has a top speed of over 1,800 kilometers per hour. A single drone swarm can consist of up to 100 autonomous aircraft. Drones can fly in formations as close as 10 centimeters apart. The F-16's radar system can track up to 20 targets simultaneously. Drone swarms can saturate air defenses with sheer numbers, overwhelming them. The U.S. military is already developing drone swarm countermeasures.
Find out which accents are considered the most challenging for non-native speakers to master, including the Mandarin Chinese accent and the Scottish accent. Mandarin Chinese accent is considered one of the hardest to learn due to its complex tones. The Scottish accent is also notoriously difficult, with over 1,000 distinct dialects and variations. Non-native speakers struggle with the R and L sounds in many Asian languages, including Japanese and Korean. The Irish accent is tricky due to its unique intonation patterns and vowel shifts. Mastering the Russian accent requires grasping the language's distinct Cyrillic alphabet and pronunciation rules. To overcome accent challenges, experts recommend listening to native speakers and practicing speaking regularly. Explore the evolution of mobile phones from the 1980 brick phone to the 1990 Nokia 3310 and discover the surprising features that made them revolutionary for their time. The first mobile phone, the Motorola Dynatac 8000X, weighed 2 pounds and had a talk time of 30 minutes. The 1980 brick phone was nicknamed for its rectangular shape and weight, similar to a brick. The Nokia 1011, released in 1992, was the first phone to use the popular SMS texting feature. The Nokia 3310, launched in 2000, had a built-in Snake 2 game that became a cultural phenomenon. The 3310's battery life lasted up to 260 hours on standby, a significant improvement from earlier models.
Explore the concept of drone swarms, how they're being developed by countries like China and the US, and the potential to revolutionize modern warfare. A drone swarm is a group of drones that work together to overwhelm opponents with sheer numbers. China has developed a swarm of 119 drones that can fly in formation and make decisions autonomously. The U.S. military is investing $720 million in drone swarm technology to counter China's advancements. Drone swarms can saturate enemy defenses, making them 100 times more effective than single drones. Swarm drones can be used for both offensive and defensive operations, including surveillance and combat. Experts predict drone swarms will revolutionize modern warfare, making traditional air defenses obsolete.
From humble beginnings as a hook and eye fastener to today's sleek designs, see the stunning evolution of zippers in fashion and functionality. The hook and eye fastener, zipper's precursor, was used for centuries in clothing before its evolution. In 1851, Elias Howe, sewing machine inventor, patented the first automatic continuous clothing closure prototype. Whitcomb Judson's 1893 Curity fastener was the first zipper-like device used on shoes and boots. Gideon Sunback's 1913 Placo fastener improved designs, leading to modern zipper production. The zipper's popularity soared in the 1920 seconds with the introduction of the Talon's waterproof zipper. Today, zippers are used in countless applications, from fashion to outdoor gear and even space exploration. Find out why Cristiano Ronaldo always points to the sky after scoring a goal, a superstition that's rooted in his faith and personal history. Cristiano Ronaldo's iconic goal celebration is rooted in his strong Catholic faith and personal history. The pointing gesture is a tribute to his late father, José Diniz Aveiro, who passed away in 2005. Ronaldo believes his father is watching over him from above, guiding him to success. This superstition has been a consistent part of his brand since his early days at Manchester United. The celebration has become an integral part of Ronaldo's identity, symbolizing his gratitude and humility. Throughout his career, Ronaldo has scored over 750 goals, with each celebration a nod to his father's memory.